Mount Wellington is a good spot to see Hobart overview. It's about 1,271 meters. Not easy to see sunshine here, so if it's a sunny day, you are lucky. There are many parking slots here, and it's free of charge. Over a weekend, there are a few markets in Hobart. There are many food and beverage stalls. The liquors here are usually local made. The stall owners are very friendly. Just ask them and try it out. These are all not available at duty-free. This car park is just 5 minutes walk to Salamanca Market. However, as you see, it will be full every Saturday, so come as early as possible. Salamanca Market only opens every Saturday. It has a few streets long. Take at least an hour to see everything if you want. There are more varieties in this market: food, liquor, accessories, handmade products, etc. Stalls here prefer cash, but they still accept credit card. Let's try the truffle ice cream. Very strong truffles flavor. Recommend to try. Market opens every Sunday. It was about Christmas time, hence the performance. This market is more about fresh produces, flowers, and organic food. You can buy Tasmanian cherry in low price here. 1 kilogram at 10 Australian dollars only. Apart from all the scenery and markets, it's also good to understand the history of Tasmania, to be connected to this place. area got a lot of pretty graffiti and small shops, similar to Hosier Lane in Melbourne. We'll let you decide which one is better.